As the popularity of NFTs has grown, the NFT market has climbed to more than $40 billion in value. According to the 2021 NFT market report released by Blocky and data company, Chainalysis. Hello guys, in this video, we will be diving into the 17 best NFT marketplaces as of 2022. But, before we dig deeper, please grab your free copy of the Bitcoin Profits Secrets ebook, link is in the description. Now, let's get started. 1. Opensea. It is the leader in NFTs. Opensea has all sorts of digital assets available on its platform, and it's free to sign up and browse the extensive offerings. It also supports artists and creators and has an easy-to-use process if you want to create your own NFT, known as minting. The marketplace supports more than 150 different payment tokens, so the platform's name is appropriate. 2. NBA Top Shot. It is the National Basketball Association and Women's National Basketball Association's foray into the NFT world. On its marketplace, collectible moments, video clips and play highlights, and art can be purchased from the world's premier basketball leagues. The NBA built it as a closed marketplace. You can only buy and sell on Top Shot, using the Flow blockchain built by Dapper Labs. 3. Rarible. It is another large marketplace for all sorts of NFTs, similar to OpenSea. All kinds of art, videos, collectibles, and music can be bought, sold, or created on the platform. However, unlike OpenSea, you'll need to use the marketplace's own token Rarible, RARI, for trading. 4. SuperRare. Similar to Rarible, SuperRare is also building a marketplace for digital creators. The platform includes art, videos, and 3D images, but collectors can purchase artwork using Ethereum. SuperRare recently announced its own token of the same name based on the Ethereum blockchain. 5. Foundation.app. It was designed as a simple, no-frills way to bid on digital art. Since the marketplace's launch in early 2021, it has sold more than $100 million of NFTs. Artists are invited to the platform by the Foundation community, and buyers simply need a crypto wallet funded with Ethereum to start making purchases. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to start creating your own NFTs, Foundation probably isn't the best place to begin, but the marketplace has plenty of artwork that can be perused in a simple format. 6. Nifty Gateway. It has facilitated the sale of some of the most popular digital artists such as People and singer/musician 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐬𝐷. It's an art curation platform powered by the crypto exchange Gemini, controlled by the 𝐒𝐐𝐜𝐫𝐿𝐵. 7. Mintable. It is backed by billionaire Mark Cuban, and aims to be an open marketplace similar to OpenSea. To participate in buying and selling NFTs on Mintable, you'll need Ethereum. The platform also supports minting of NFTs for creators of all types, from photographers to musicians, who want to sell their work as digital assets. 8. Theta. It is a blockchain platform built for the decentralized distribution of video and TV on the internet. The NFT marketplace Theta Drop made its debut in 2021 with the World Poker Tour's digital collectibles. To participate in the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, you'll need to purchase Theta token. 9. Decentraland. Decentraland is a VR world created on the Ethereum blockchain, which helps make it a safe and reliable NFT marketplace. It lets users acquire virtual properties and other digital assets like wearables, art, and even names, which are stored in smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. 10. Atomic Market. Atomic Market is a shared liquidity NFT market smart contract that is used by multiple websites. Shared liquidity means that everything listed on one market also shows on all other markets. Anyone can utilize the Atomic Asset Standard to tokenize and create digital assets and buy, sell and auction assets using the Atomic Assets Marketplace. 11. Known Origin. Known Origin is a market where you can discover and collect rare digital artwork. Every digital artwork on Known Origin is authentic and truly unique. Creators can use the platform to showcase and sell their work to collectors who care about authenticity. It is secured by the Ethereum blockchain. 12. Portion. Portion is an online marketplace connecting artists and collectors through blockchain technology. To easily sell, invest and own art and collectibles with complete transparency. It includes the artist community, a global network of decentralized artists and creators. Portion allows anyone to be a collector. You can manage your physical and digital collection in one place, making it easy to exchange crypto for art and collectibles. 13. Binance NFT Marketplace. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, added an NFT marketplace in 2021. The International Crypto Exchange is one of many other industry players entering the NFT sector, like Crypto.com NFT, which describes itself as a highly curated NFT marketplace. 14. Zora. Zora started as an invitation-only NFT marketplace. However, it has since become an open platform that allows creators, collectors, and artists to buy and sell a range of NFTs. It operates as a media registry protocol that lets creators publish their works and earn money from sales proceeds. 15. Institut. Unlike most NFT marketplaces that are founded or run by tech companies or entrepreneurs, Institut is a platform that's designed with an art-first perspective, according to Institut co-founder 𝐁𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐫𝐿. It's a premier NFT platform that uses new and emerging technologies to not only empower artists but also to open the world of NFTs to contemporary art enthusiasts. It also aims to act as a bridge that connects two disparate art communities, traditional and digital. 16. 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐿. 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐿 is a Solana NFT marketplace that bills itself as a Web3 first marketplace. To date, it has over 7,000 collections and a secondary trading volume of $1.6 billion. Aside from being an NFT marketplace, 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐿 also supports game creators and launched Eden Games, a hub for NFT games on the Solana blockchain. Last but not the least, 17. BakerySwap. BakerySwap is an automated market maker, AMM, and decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain. It uses a native BakerySwap token, BAKE. BakerySwap is a multifunctional crypto hub offering a range of decentralized finance services, as well as a crypto launchpad and NFT supermarket.
Hey! Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that you won't miss any future content and giveaways. Crypto Wealth Code, your wealth building partner. Have a great time.